In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the new digital strategy course on Harvard Online and how you can get officially Harvard certified step by step. This is a highly in-demand course that covers modern digital transformation, strategy, and leadership skills, and it's perfect for professionals, entrepreneurs, and students looking to boost their credibility. I'll walk you through the entire process, from finding the course to enrolling and completing it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Harvard Online website. The link you need is harvardonline.harvard.edu/course. Make sure you're on the official Harvard site to avoid any fake or third-party listings. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available online courses offered directly by Harvard University. Next, use the search option on the page and type in New Digital Strategy. When the results appear, look for the course titled New Digital Strategy. Click on the course to open the full course details page. On this page, you'll find an overview of what the course covers, including topics like digital transformation, platform strategy, data-driven decision-making, and how organizations adapt in the digital age. Take a moment to review the course information. You'll be able to see the course duration, weekly time commitment, instructor details, and what you'll learn by the end of the program. This is a great way to make sure the course aligns with your career goals before enrolling. Once you're ready, scroll down and click on the Enroll button. You'll be prompted to either sign in or create an account. If you already have a Harvard Online or edX account, simply log in. If not, create a new account by entering your email address and basic personal details. After logging in, you'll be asked to fill in your enrollment details. This usually includes your name, country, and payment information. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete the payment process. The course is paid, but it comes with a verified certificate upon successful completion, which adds significant value to your resume and LinkedIn profile. Once your payment is complete, you'll get instant access to the course dashboard. From here, you can start learning at your own pace. The course includes video lectures, readings, case studies, and assignments, designed to help you apply digital strategy concepts in real-world scenarios. Make sure you complete all required modules and assessments. After successfully finishing the course, you'll receive an official Harvard certificate. This certificate can be shared online, added to your professional profiles, and used to demonstrate your expertise in digital strategy. And that's it. You've now learned how to access the new digital strategy course on Harvard Online, enroll successfully, and earn a Harvard certificate. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.